If you are a lady or you are a woman and you have not come across a video talking about okra water, it's possible you are not using the social media frequently, because these days I've seen a lot of videos, including celebrities, talking about okra water, talking about how to make okra water, because it is believed that it helps to improve wetness. It helps to give a lady more lubricant during sexual intercourse. But today's video, I'm going to be talking about the health benefits of okra, and I'm going to be listing 7 health benefits of okra on this particular video. And I'm still going to be explaining to you why okra is going to increase wetness, is going to increase the lubricant and make sex more pleasurable for women. But before we go into details in today's class, if you are new on our YouTube channel, please click on the subscribe button, turn on that notification bell so you don't miss out. Good day everyone, and welcome back to Nurses Lecture Room YouTube channel. My name is Mercy Mary and I talk about reproductive health and your health in general. But today's video, we are going to be talking about okra. Yay! Yes, okra. The first question I want to ask you is okra a fruit or a vegetable? Drop on the comment section. Generally, I want to let you know that okra is an edible plant that comes in different varieties. It comes in either green or the red varieties. Yes, it is usually seen as a vegetable, but technically, okra is a fruit. It belongs to the mallows family in terms of the botanical, the mallows family. And this same family is where you have your cocoa and also your cotton. So for those that think okra is a vegetable, I just want to let you know that okra is a fruit. But back to the reason for today's video, and that is the benefits of okra that is going to shock you. So the first one I have to share with you is that okra provides the body with essential nutrients. Okra is packed with a lot of nutritional benefits. Okra contains vitamin, it contains mineral, and it also contains disease-fighting elements in it. For half cup of okra you take, let me tell you something, it contains 0 gram of cholesterol. So that's to tell you that okra is low in cholesterol. Okra does not have cholesterol. Okra contains 18 grams of calories. It has a lot of energy. And you know calories, energy. When you hear calories, that's to show energy. So it contains natural energy for you. It contains natural 18 grams of calories. It contains 4 grams of carbohydrate. It contains 0.2 gram of fat. It contains 2 gram of fiber. It contains 1.5 gram of protein. It contains 32 micrograms of vitamin K. It contains 14 micrograms of vitamin C. It contains 0.2 micrograms of folates. It contains 21 micrograms of magnesium. It also contains 0.1 micrograms of thiamine, and it contains 0.15 micrograms of vitamin B6, and it contains 62 micrograms of calcium. You can see a lot of health benefit associated with taking okra. So I'm not going to be telling you the sex. We're going to be talking about how it enhances sex at the end of the video, but I'm telling you the overall health benefits of having okra in your diet. The second benefit of taking okra is that it may boost your heart health. Yes, there are 2 non-human studies that was conducted, and it found that okra has impact on cholesterol. And we know that cholesterol is not good for our body. The more cholesterol you have in your body, the more you are more prone to heart issues. And we all know that heart disease, ischemic heart disease, is the #1 cause of death globally. So it's not a bad thing to add okra to your diet, because okra is actually low in cholesterol. Okay, so for this study to actually be concluded, to actually be confirmed, definitely it has to be done in human. But this particular research that was done in non-human. So okra is not bad for the health, so you can actually add it to your diet. The third one I have to share with you is its antioxidant property. Yes, antioxidant property. Okra is packed with what we call polyphenols. Yeah, this helps to reduce inflammation, it helps to reduce cholesterol, and it also helps to reduce blood pressure. And you know, anything that helps to reduce cholesterol, helps to reduce blood pressure and inflammation is good for your heart health. So okra is packed filled with polyphenols, which is an antioxidant. The fourth one that I have to share with you is that okra may help you manage your blood sugar level. Yes, you know, when your body cannot process the sugar properly, cannot process that glucose properly, it can actually result in type 2 diabetes. A non-human study has shown that okra has impact on the sugar level. Like I would earlier say, if you have diabetes and you are looking for fruit or food that are likely going to help you with managing your blood sugar level, you can add okra to your diet. Okra does not have any harmful effects into your body, so having it alongside with your diet should not be a bad idea, because like I earlier said, a non-human study was conducted and shows its impact on the blood sugar level. And the fifth point I have to share with you is that okra has a benefit when it comes to the GI health, that's your gastrointestinal health. Okra has been shown to have a lot of fiber. It contains a particular fiber known as pectin. And pectin is a gel-like prebiotic fiber that is good for the good microbes in your body, that is good for the good bacteria in your body. You know, in our body, we have a lot of bacteria. We have the good bacteria and we have the bad bacteria. So this fiber actually helps to field the good bacteria in your GI. And when that happens, it makes digestion easy. And even for those that have constipation, you can take okra. Because of this fiber, it can help relieve that constipation and make it easy for you to poo. So that is one of the health benefits of having okra in your diet. So if you have constipation, you can decide to try it in your diet and see the outcome. Then the sixth benefit of okra I want to share with you is that it strengthens the bone. Yes, generally fruits and vegetables, they are not known for helping with bone development. They are not known for strengthening the bone. But okra is a wonderful fruit that actually helps with the bone because it contains a good amount of calcium, and it also contains a good amount of not so known vitamin K. And we all know that calcium is very good for the bones, and also vitamin K is also good when it comes to maintaining bone strength. The last one which I want to share with you today, and I know which you have been waiting for, is the seventh point, and that is okra contains phytoestrogen. It has phytoestrogen in it, and this phytoestrogen is said to exhibit similar properties with estrogen. And we all know that estrogen is more or less like the female hormone, the more obvious female hormone. And when a woman has a lot of estrogen in the body, it is easy for her to get wet during sexual intercourse. It is easy for her to be easily lubricated during sexual intercourse. So when you have okra, because that there's phytoestrogen in it, that is why some women that take that okra water tend to experience that wetness during sexual intercourse, tend to be lubricated during that sexual intercourse. That is why you see a lot of videos talking about, okra water is good if you want your husband to like enjoy the flow, if you want to be lubricated, if you want to be wet, and things like that. But while going through this, I was seeing some research work that said that there are different types of phytoestrogen. Some phytoestrogen might cause hormonal imbalance. I just said I should let you know. So some phytoestrogen might cause hormonal imbalance, while some phytoestrogen might help with your full body and help you enjoy the pleasure when it comes to sex. So for all those women that are taking okra water and they are coming out to testify, this could be the reason why they are talking about okra water, because of the phytoestrogen properties in it that has actually helped them to increase, that actually help them to like have something similar to estrogen and increase their wetness and lubrication during sexual intercourse. So you've been waiting and I've explained it to you, and I hope you understand why there's a lot of trendy videos about okra water. So these are the 8 health benefits of okra. Okra is a healthy fruit and you can have it as soup. You can have, there are different forms in which okra can be prepared. But preferably, I prefer taking okra as a soup alongside with our traditional African fufu, with our traditional African poundo yam, with our traditional African eba. You understand? So that's how I like taking my okra. So we have different ways of preparing okra, and I believe you've seen a lot on social media. So thank you very much for staying tuned. Thank you very much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, and also don't forget to share with a friend if you got value. For all my returning subscribers, this is Nurse Messi Mary saying thank you. Bye, and see you in our next video.